Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe below and like and comment. Hey y'all, so welcome to my channel. My name is Aaliyah Perry, and basically I'm just coming on here to show y'all how the bob wig is like prospering. Okay, I am very happy with it. It really blends in with my hair. Like I'm getting so many compliments on it, and it's like a blunt cut. It's 10 inches. It's the bob wig, 100% human virgin hair from Aliexpress, and like it looks a little longer than the reviews like that the girls put on. Like when they showed their picture, they probably cut it a little bit more, but this is fly. Like it blends in so good. Like no tangles, like no tangles. I'm happy with it. The only thing is that my head is small, so the cap is a little too big, but the drawstrings like that you use to tighten it, it kind of helps for me, but sometimes they can detach, and well, no, they hold pretty good all day, but like you just have to make sure you like secure it. And also with bobby pins you can secure it. There's like a clip right here, a clip right here, one right here of course because this is a U-PART wig, and then there's one in the back like near my neck, and then there's like two of the little small clip-ins that you can sew on. So there's like a total of 6 different clips, and it can secure. I don't use the ones on these sides because I just don't feel like I need to. It's secure enough for me. Yeah, the only thing is that it's a little big, but I have a small head. I don't know about y'all, but I love it. People think this is my real hair. Like, girl, you better own it. You paid for it, okay? So, yes. And this is day, what's today? The 27th. So, this is day 3 of me wearing this, and I am loving it. It's just a great way to prevent like a whole full head of heat damage. Like, I know it's not good to be flat ironing this, but I try to keep the iron like set low, not too hot. And you do like, I mean, you go to bed and you have to put the bonnet on your head, and I don't sleep with this on. Like, I take this wig unit off every night I go to sleep because I don't have time for extraness like me to have to re-flat iron over and over. I mean, I go over it just one pass and I'm good to go, you know. So basically this, I'm very happy with this wig, and it was very reasonable and affordable price, and you know, I love it. I'm looking in the mirror, but yeah, like you see how it just like it does not tangle. Well, that's because I didn't comb through it all day, but it's like very flowy. But yeah, like I love it. 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 But yeah, back to what I was saying. So I do flat iron this every morning. I only do one pass, but I probably won't wear this for more than 2 weeks. Like, I wore it for Christmas, and I'll probably like, I don't know, I might wear it for 3 weeks, but I don't do heat that much. So 2 to 3 weeks with this hairstyle and flat ironing this once a day. Not like I don't have to flat iron it more than once a day. I only do it one time in the morning before I go to work. So I feel like this is a great investment, and I love it. So thanks for watching my channel, and please subscribe and comment below and like this video, y'all. You know, love it up. Bye. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos, and please subscribe and follow me on Instagram, leah.perry, and Snapchat, lover and friend.